Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make an air bazooka. So let's roll the intro. First thing you got to do is bring two things, which is a cut piece of balloon and a cylinder which is hollow from one side and it is flat, and you can just make a hole at the bottom, okay, a rough shape of a circle. And then now take this piece of balloon, stretch it and put it on top. So just like that, it's nice and secure. Don't make it too tight, okay. And then now air bazooka is complete. Now this is how to make it work. So take a small target. I have a target right here. I'll keep it right around here. So you got to pinch this balloon, bring it back and release. So when you release, the air inside of this cylinder will come out really fast. So let's try to knock down this. Pull and release. See, it's that easy, but it makes a lot of sound that can vary upon how much you pull it. So let's try it again. See, it's moving and let's go. This is how to make it, and I hope you love this and you can also make this. This is very easy. It only takes two things. Please like, share and subscribe.